Are you still creating quotes and orders manually? Let's streamline that with Revive. Quote to order eliminates the chance for manual entry errors. Recovers lost time by not recreating what is already on the quote. A quote to order can be created by opening the Quotes module and selecting the quote you want to use. When the quote screen pops up, simply go to Actions and click on Generate New Order. This will bring up the Generate Order from Quote screen where information already entered will carry over and any required fields will be denoted in red. You can also choose to deselect items you may not want to carry over to the order. Once saved, you will be directed to the Edit Order dialog and be able to see the new order number assigned. At this point, you have the ability to fill in any other information you would like to. At the bottom, you will see the items from the quote have been carried over. If items need to be added, you can even add a new line to the order right alongside the rest. Now is the time to reduce errors and recover lost time. Keep an eye out for more ways to add value to your company with Revive.